I chose the GT86 because of what it is, where it came from, what it was, its heritage. For being underpowered, it definitely holds its own. It's well balanced, and it does exactly what you tell it to. Driving it all seasons taught me a lot about the car. It's definitely an okay winter car, but it's definitely not the best. For the condition. The Subaru WRX is an all-wheel drive platform. Although it shares the same engine as the GT86, a flat-four boxer motor, its footwork and layout is very different. The 86 is a rear-wheel drive. The back wheels push the car, move it forward, leaving the front to do the job of the steering. The Subaru WRX is all-wheel drive. All four wheels push the car through the corner. While the back end pushes it and makes it slide around, the front end pulls you straighter to where you need to go and does what you need to do. The difference in traction in this condition is absolutely amazing. Combined with the proper tire combination and suspension setup, the Subaru WRX is a heavy hitter in the winter months. The snow creates lack of traction, slippery roads, unpredictable events and conditions. The all-wheel drive can pull you through nearly anything you need to get through, as long as you know what you're doing and how to handle it. Being prepared and properly set up for the conditions you're facing is a huge part of winning the battle. Daily commute. We live out in the country, but we work in the city. Essential employees. Public servants. Maintaining the city, the roads, the parks. Making sure everything is good for the residents. So our daily commute is from the country across the water and into the city on a daily basis. On our way, we get to deal with all kinds of roads. There's narrow, windy roads, reminiscent of the mountain passes in Japan. There's small towns, medium density residents. As we get closer to the city, the lights get brighter, the traffic gets more intense. Once we cross the bridge, Everything is different. No longer are we chasing the windy roads. Cornering at fast speeds. But now, everything is regulated by stoplights. 3 colors control the speed of the city. It seems the only freedom a city driver has, that cut through suburbia, intended to make the ride from point A to point B much quicker and less of a hassle. This is the only place that drivers can open up their cars. But that's for a completely other story. When we reach our destination, the sun is just beginning to set. When the sun goes down, a whole new world comes to life. The sky lights up with vibrant colors. Offices, workplaces, apartments, condos. People coming and going. Endless commotion. All noise, friction. For one that comes from the country, I just don't understand how they could do this. But that's what makes the world an interesting place and what it is. We leave late at night. Most of the city is sleeping. Most of the roads are open and clear. And it's our time to relieve our stress, to enjoy the ride, feel the freedom, the sound of the motor, the wheels on the road, the harmony, the orchestra, the angels of combustion as they sing their sweet song. But this is also where I get to learn some very important differences, trying to follow the all-wheel drive WRX.
Doing my rounds. I'm a sonic boom at the speed of sound. Ready for clowns trying to take me down. I'm unstoppable now.